Hello guys, when it comes to taking care of metal, all you need is a laser welding machine like this. A welding machine is used to join pieces of metal or thermoplastics through the use of a laser. The beam provides a concentrated heat source, allowing for narrow, deep welds and high welding rates. When it comes to working with a laser machine, you have to be super careful with absolutely everything. The way you hold it, where you point it, and everything that comes to your mind. It is definitely not the easiest thing to be used in here. Although higher temperature can be achieved during laser welding, the following metal points are listed for materials that can be processed by laser welding. Keep in your mind that you have to be a professional when it comes to using a laser machine like this one.